How do you do all? It's Nick Hegarty here from Hegarty Slings. As most of you will know, I've started doing catapults now with band clamps. An easier method for some to fasten your bands up. It saves wrap and tuck. I've been getting a lot of questions and messages sent about the clamps. Mainly, why have mine only got one screw in? Well, one screw I just find is more than sufficient to clamp the bands, and two, it's much easier with just one screw. So when you get a catapult from me, it will come with one band set, one Allen key, and of course the catapult. So your first job when you open the package is to cut your bands to the correct length, the length to suit your draw. I've already pre-marked these for my draw. The scissors, and what you do, you cut the band 5mm longer than your mark. That 5mm enables your band to go in behind the clamp. Next thing is undo the screw. You only need to undo it 2 turns. 2 turns. Just enough for the band to go in. Slide your band in behind the screw. There. Nip it up. On the short end, nip it up finger tight. Then, all you need to do is half a turn. Let's go to the next side. Your band in. There. You slide it in. I slide it in up to the screw, using the short end finger tight. Then maximum half a turn, and then from there check. I check them like that, pulling direct there. Don't draw them back to your face to check. Check them like that. And they're not coming out. You're shooting. When you're shooting, you always have the screw heads facing away from you. Always. Draw back. Bob's your uncle. Job's a good one. They will not come out. I assure you. They will not come out. One screw is more than sufficient. I had questions of some people, or messages should I say, do you put a hole through the band for the screw to go through? And the simple answer is no. The band only slides in approximately 5mm. That's all it slides in. And you tighten it up from there. Remember, finger tight first, then half a turn. They will not come out. They're not coming out. I hope this has cleared up a few of the questions, and well, and you can see how I put them in. Now, I'm only talking about the clamps I supply. I'm not talking about anybody else's clamps. They might have different methods. This is my method and it works. Right, thank you very much indeed. Bye.